What is crime? Crime is an action or omission which constitutes an offence and is punishable by law. In simple words, a crime is something which is against the law, and if you do it you go to jail or at least end up paying a fine. According to a generally accepted principle, nullum crimen sine lege, there can be no crime without a law. A crime generally consists of both conduct, the actus reus, and a concurrent state of mind, the mens rea. Criminal acts include arson, assault and battery, bribery, burglary, child abuse, counterfeiting, embezzlement, extortion, forgery, fraud, hijacking, homicide, kidnapping, perjury, piracy, rape, sedition, smuggling, treason, theft, and usury.